Hello my lovely students, welcome to our first video of our past 1, chapter 8, ASHOKA, the emperor who gave up war. So let us begin the video. Let's know about Rosan. Rosan clutched the crisp note that her grandfather had given her on her birthday. She noticed that all of them had a smiling face of Gandhiji printed on them, and a tiny set of lions were also printed on them. What were the lions there for? She wondered. In this video, we will talk about these symbols, from where they have been taken. Let's try to know. Ashoka is one of the well-known greatest rulers of the history. On his inscriptions, there are many instructions inscribed on pillars as well as on rock surface. One of these pillars is found there in Sarnath near Varanasi. These 4 lions that you see on Indian currency are taken from Sarnath near Varanasi, that were carved in stone and placed on top of a massive stone pillar. Students, as on the image you can see 4 lions. 3 is visible to you and 1 is hidden behind. The empire that Ashoka ruled was founded by his grandfather Chandragupta Maurya more than 2300 years ago. He was supported by a wise man named Chanakya or Kautilya. Many of Chanakya's ideas were written down in a book called the Arthashastra. Mauryan dynasty. When members of the same family become rulers one after another, the family is often called dynasty. 3 important rulers of Mauryan dynasty are Chandragupta Maurya, his son Bindusara, and Bindusara's son Ashoka. So my dear students, there were several cities under Mauryan Empire that are marked with black dots on the map. These cities are Taxila, Ujjain and Patliputra. Patliputra was the central capital of the empire, so Taxila and Ujjain were ruled from Patliputra. Taxila was the gateway to northwest, including Central Asia. Ujjain was en route leading to the South India from North India. These places on map with red dots are the places from where inscription of Mauryan Empire are found. You can see on the slide. It means these areas were the part of Mauryan Empire. Merchants, craft persons probably lived in these cities. In other areas of the empire, there lived farmers and herders. Areas like Central India were forested areas where people gathered forest produce and hunted animals for food. In different parts of the empire, different types of languages were spoken, and people ate different kinds of food and wore different kinds of clothes as well. Means there was variety of culture in different parts of the empire. So let us know how are empires different from kingdoms. Emperors need more resources than kings because empires are larger than kingdoms and need to be protected by big armies. So also they need a large number of officials who collect taxes. In short, we can say empires are bigger kingdoms usually ruled by many kings with a central authority who controls them. So dear students, let's revise the content. The lions that we see on our notes and coins have a long history. They were carved in stone and placed on top of a massive stone pillar at Sarnath. Ashoka was one of the greatest rulers known to history, and on his instructions, inscriptions were inscribed on pillars as well as on rock surface. The empire that Ashoka ruled was founded by his grandfather Chandragupta Maurya more than 2300 years ago. Chandragupta was supported by a wise man named Chanakya or Kautilya. Many of Chanakya's ideas were written down in a book called the Arthashastra. There were several cities in the empire. These included the capital Patliputra, Taxila and Ujjain. Now let me check what you have understood through this video. Question 1. How many lions are shown in our national emblem? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4 and option D 5. Yes, you are correct. Your answer is option C 4. Question 2. Who was supported by a wise man named Chanakya? Option A Ashoka, option B Bindusar, option C Chandragupta and option D Bimbisar. Your correct answer is option C Chandragupta. Question 3. In which book were Chanakya's ideas written? Option A Ramayana, option B Mahabharata, option C Arthashastra and option D Avigyan Sakuntalam. Your correct answer is option C Arthashastra. Question 4. From where was Taxila and Ujjain ruled? Option A Patliputra, option B Bihar, option C Delhi and option D Agra. Your correct answer is option A Patliputra. Students, your homework questions are given on the slide. Just note it down and do it correctly. Thank you. See you soon in our next lecture.